Credit scores in the USA, such as FICO score and VantageScore, serve as crucial metrics determining an individual's creditworthiness. These scores, ranging from 300 to 850, are calculated based on various factors by major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The key components influencing credit scores include payment history, credit utilization ratio, length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and recent credit inquiries. Among these, payment history holds significant importance, reflecting whether payments were made on time. Following closely is the credit utilization ratio, which measures the proportion of available credit being utilized. Lenders rely on credit scores to assess the risk associated with lending money. A higher credit score typically translates to better credit terms, such as lower interest rates and increased chances of credit approval. To maintain or improve credit scores, individuals should focus on timely payments, keeping credit card balances low, maintaining a diverse credit mix, and avoiding excessive credit applications. Additionally, regularly monitoring credit reports for errors or fraudulent activity is essential for safeguarding credit health.